Have you ever felt that moment when temptation hits you hard? When your mind is flooded with thoughts you know aren't right, but they feel so powerful, so sudden. It's like you don't even have time to think straight? Let's be real. Lust is a real battle. It doesn't always come with a warning. Sometimes it just shows up, whether you're alone on your phone or talking to someone you're attracted to. But what if I told you you can defeat it in 5 seconds? And there's a story in the Bible that shows us exactly how. In Genesis 39, we read about Joseph. He was young, faithful, and serving in Potiphar's house in Egypt. Potiphar's wife tried to seduce him day after day. She literally grabbed his clothes and begged him to sleep with her. But you know what Joseph did? He didn't stay to argue. He didn't negotiate. He didn't think about it. He ran. Genesis 39:12 says, "But he left his cloak in her hand and ran out of the house." That's it. He didn't try to fight lust with logic. He fled it with speed. In today's world, temptation doesn't just come through a person. It comes through our phones, our screens, our thoughts. One wrong scroll, one late-night DM, one click, and suddenly we're caught. But here's the truth. Lust doesn't need a long conversation. It needs a quick exit. You don't fight lust with willpower alone. You fight it with wisdom. You shut down the app. You walk away. You turn off the screen. You run like Joseph. In those first 5 seconds, when the thought first hits, you have a choice. Not a perfect one, not a pretty one, but a powerful one. Run, refocus, pray, move. Do whatever it takes to change your direction fast. The Bible never tells us to stand and fight lust. It says, flee from sexual immorality. 1 Corinthians 6:18. So flee youthful passions and pursue righteousness. 2 Timothy 2:22. Resist the devil, and he will flee from you. James 4:7. You're not weak for running. You're wise. You're not cowardly for fleeing. You're courageous. Because every time you choose God over temptation, heaven celebrates. Maybe you've fallen before. Maybe you feel like lust has had the upper hand in your life. But guess what? God hasn't given up on you. His grace is still stronger. His Spirit is still in you, and you are not alone. Next time lust knocks on your door, remember Joseph. Remember that in just 5 seconds, you can choose a different path. You can walk or run toward purity. You can protect your purpose. You can honor your God. Because you were never meant to be a slave to sin. You were created to walk in freedom. If this message spoke to your heart today, type Amen in the comments and share this with someone who needs to hear it. God's not done with you, He's just getting started.